Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that can arise when setting up a base URL in the Playwright.config file. Have you ever wondered about the differences between using page.goto and page.goto, when both seem to navigate to the base URL itself? Let's dive deeper into this curious problem and uncover the solution behind it. In the solution provided, we learned that if a base URL is specified in the context options, the behavior of page.goto depends on the web API's URL parsing. When the passed URL is either an empty string or a /, it gets merged with the base URL using the new URL constructor. The URL algorithm runs its course, returning the base URL used in both cases. So, essentially, there is no difference in behavior between the two because the web API's URL processes them in the same manner. In summary, the crux of the problem lies in understanding how page.goto handles different URL inputs when a base URL is in play. The solution clarifies that the web API's URL algorithm treats both an empty string and a / similarly in this context. If you found this explanation enlightening, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech insights, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, when it comes to navigating with page.goto, sometimes an empty string is just as good as a /.